My name's Will Correia from Toni Marine. I work here with my brothers in Middletown, Rhode Island. And we exclusively remanufacture Yamaha outboards. And that is all we do. Today's engines, the tolerances are so close compared to the old days. One little mistake in the size of these bores of these engines, and on a boat especially, will not live. It's like being on a dynamometer its entire life, where it's under load constant. So they have to be right, and these machines enable us to do that. We prep engines from basically junk and turn them into like new. Real family business. My father started this business in 1958, and then in the late 90s we decided to get into the machining business and do overhauls. No one wants you to really work on these engines. Everyone wants to sell you new ones. That's not the case with us. We can remanufacture these to like new specs, and that's what we do. A new 200 horse rigged on your boat can cost you $30,000. This is an alternative to that. We can take an older engine and make it like brand new, fully warrantied, run as new. The reason I believe Rottlers are crucial is because in the late 70s I worked with a outboard performance development company, and they bought a Rottler. A green Rottler from 1978 that was absolutely dead on. I'm working with an engineer. He told me, this machine is unbelievable. Well, when I went to get into this business, I called this guy, and he told me, well, if you're gonna buy something, buy the best. Buy a Rottler. But it's 3 times as much as the other one. And he goes, yes, it is. But you remember our machine. For its time, it was unbelievable. No one could make one bore a hole that round. And that's the reason that I thought, well, if I'm gonna do it, I might as well get a Rottler. That was the first one. And the 6th one was the H85, to make my life easier. This is my robot. This is my employee. That's the other thing. This replaces an employee. The latest equipment's all computer controlled.
See, that little red, that's telling you it's a little tight at the bottom. And as soon as that red goes away, it'll stop.
No human can hone better than this machine. I could have anyone running it in 15 minutes with no experience. But, a computerized machine is automatic. I'm 70 years old, and this machine can run itself while I talk on the phone. Watch this. So now I gotta go up like this. So now you need clearance for the rollover. See this? So see how you gotta roll the next cylinder. So you hit this. See this rollover clearance? You hit that. See how it changed? That's the retract spot. So now I'll go in and we'll go down in the hole. Check, see? Okay, good. It's not an exaggeration what this machine is. It's shocking they could even make something like this. You want the best? You buy Rottler. Everyone in this industry knows that.